plan proposed by Wisconsin Governor Tony Evers would make sweeping changes to this state's correctional system, and it includes the Green Bay facility. Local 5's Samantha Petter shares what state lawmakers are saying about the proposal.
Governor Evers made his $500 million proposal public, which includes closing the Green Bay prison. Evers presented his plan as the best and only option to address the state's aging facilities. In his announcement, he said in part, quote, "I'm announcing sweeping reforms to improve community safety, reduce costs to taxpayers, stabilize population rates, support corrections staff, and reduce the likelihood that people will reoffend when they are released," end quote. Evers is urging Republicans and Democrats to work together to enact his plan, stating we have to get this done. For Alloway's Village President Jim Rafter, closing Green Bay Correctional Institution has been a very public goal since he became village president 8 years ago. He expressed his excitement, saying the facility is unsafe and has lived well beyond its time.
There's still a lot of work to be done. I'm cautiously optimistic and thankful. I'm very thankful that we finally are at a place where everyone, including the governor and the Department of Corrections, is acknowledging that we need to close Green Bay Correctional.
State Representative David Steffens says Evers' plan is promising and a step in the right direction.
It's a huge step when you finally have the entire government in agreement on a decision. This is a top priority for me because there is 350 people who are working there, and it's a very unsafe, unsecure environment. And furthermore, is we have a legal responsibility to take care of those 1,000 men that are in there.
Similarly, Senator Jamie Wall is determined to support current prison employees and says after numerous conversations with Governor Evers, his proposal is a good start.
That should save taxpayer money, and it should improve public safety, which is the bottom line here. My dad worked at that prison for 34 years, and I had a chance to talk to the governor and his people about this, and my first priority and my request to them would be to make sure that the 300-odd employees there will be taken care of if and when this does happen.
In Alloway, Samantha Petters, Local 5 News.
Thank you, Samantha. That plan calls for closing the Green Bay prison in 2029, with changes being made at other state facilities, including Waupun Correctional Institution.